is waiting on that plane to land at the JKIA?
Thank you, Mark Masai. We are at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport awaiting the arrival of the plane carrying the first consignment of COVID-19 vaccine into the country. A few hours ago, we were told the plane had just left Doha from Qatar to Nairobi. And at the moment, there's nothing much really happening at the airport, but I'll do a recap on what exactly we're expecting. So the plane is expected the plane is going to arrive at around 11:30 p.m. today, and in it we're expecting around 1 million doses of COVID vaccine jabs. And from here, from the airport, the consignment will be transported to the main storage in Kitengela within the outskirts of Nairobi. Then from there, the vaccine or the jabs are going to be distributed to the 9 major government storage facilities in 9 regions in the country, and these are in Nyeri, in Eldoret. We'll have one in Kisumu. Some will also be taken to Nyeri, some will be taken to Kakamega, some will be taken to Isiolo, and from there these vaccines are all going to be distributed to various referral facilities within the 47 counties. And the first priority will be given to level 6 and level 5 hospitals. And then later some batches are going to be sent to the military military facilities. This first phase of vaccination is going to cater for the healthcare workers, security officials, and also a bit of it should be given out to teachers as a part of the frontline workers. Then we're also going to have the second phase, which is expected to take off in July this year. And this one is going to target the elderly, people living with vulnerable conditions such as HIV, diabetes, and other comorbidities. Then later on, the government is expected to roll out the third phase, which is going to be in the year 2022. And this one is going to target people in informal settlements, street families. And this one is also going to see that the government achieves the vaccination of about 15% of the population, about the 15% of the population. And from here, we're expecting that CS Kagwe and some of the officials from UNICEF and others from representation from the World Health Organization, Kenya, that are going to receive the consignment. So far, so good. Nothing much has happened, and we are yet to see any movement, or rather see any presence from the Ministry of Health and from representation from this organization. So I'm going to take you back to the studio, and we're going to be following up, and we'll be informing you right about the time the plane is going to arrive at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Back to you, Mark Masai.